So, welcome to Manchester Hall, today's wedding ceremony. They have 3 weddings here today, and I'm going to walk you up to the 5th floor where my service is taking place. So, this is quite a pretty venue. There's a bar area here, I'll just walk you through. Guests can get themselves a drink before the service. And there is quite a stunning staircase here. So I'm on the 5th floor, and on the 5th floor does have a balcony, and it's quite a fantastic balcony for getting vistas over Greater Manchester. Just look at this, it's beautiful. Make for some stunning photography and video shots there. A lovely big mural on the wall. Okay. You're going to jump in the lift.
Come on in.
Number 5.
Me too.
You're a supplier?
No, I've got a salon on the roof.
Oh, right, okay.
You just fix that.
I am. The room's all laid out for the wedding here. Loads of natural light here. It's a 25th wedding celebration. Got a memory table. Guest book. As you can see here, we've got great views over Manchester itself. This is the outdoor areas, 2 outdoor areas. And the other outdoor areas here. Brilliant for pictures. There we go. It's just a quick walk through Manchester Hall on the 5th floor.